re go itse ke mo ke itseng ka re yes mo ke mo ke tlonwang. I'll be le paragadi shoe at the Durban July. I'll be a meow 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 meow. Mang mo boy am potsa he loves me and o thabela le taba hore ke ntse lena irrespective of matlhoko a ke fitile mo yona lena le di tribulations tse ke na le tsona le bile yena o nyaka ngwana le nna a re mang ka re bona le bile now re etsa sonoro ka re se simo ya kwa exco we protect ourselves a re bona wena se ka njaja re family re bana ba motho kwa jabe ka okay chomi a re ke bona ka molela ka re I'm pregnant I faked a pregnancy a re mang let me tell you something if we bona ona or if it's degree it's difficulty try faking pregnancy more a medical doctor it was not a child's play. I had to make sure ukuthi this whatever that I'm doing ka itse ke etsa eng ka be chomi o yang a re bona ka molelo re kimile ke molelo re kimile ka months pregnancy testing sharp. Has the monster pregnancy test? You are a liar. How do you have a pregnancy test? Mixa coke, a kitsa we mix a ling, or look at a pregnancy test, it will test positive. What is that? A re witse ke thoma ke itlhatsisa moshimana antlela di antiemetics ke dipilisi tsa go se ke ba tlhatsa antlela tsona ke tse ke iketsa ka re yano ke na di morning sickness mona. He was so excited because he was like wena o mpha ngwana o mo right and nna ngwana ka lo hao o gola pila because you are such a supportive mother. What is what? I think around 6-7 weeks. Hey, ke tshwantse ke nne 6-7 weeks pregnant. Ke rela moshimane no ko belong ke se ko gae ke lo khona ba begela gore ke imile. Go iragala what is what? Ba moshimane paka le nna di beke a ntsia ranamela N1. Wow! Ko bomma he se ne ke tsena hae ka bolella cousin ka re motswala hape mpse ne ile mo itse nna ke imile and mpse itse nna ke imile ke nya go ira ka re ke re what miscarry a re ngwanyana le popampontsho ra o re ka sebeto se tshela ka mai ra eng se tse ka re ke di clothes what is what a re se ne ke fetsa fela yalo ka founela baby ka bolella baby ka re ai wena ke dutla madi go yana le yana mo guy was so stressed to a point where a re ke re bona ke tla limpopo gona yanong a re ka molla ka re baby no ska wara ke tlo ya go sepetlele ene ke tlo ya go sepetlele ke tlo sota dilo out ke tla bolella dintshana a re so go itse ke wa itse ke nurse so ke tsene le other nurses so there's a friend of mine oberekang in one of the hospitals in Limpopo ka re okay chomiak a re ke re bona se ne ke tsena go nna ke etela chomi ka bolella chomi ka re wena ira ka go ntoketse drippy o ntse di pictures no ntse di pictures so big so deke mal re kwale le report gona yanong ya gore ngwanyana wa goa a re itse ra kwala ka bolella monno re I have a TA so this is a TA so it was barking threatened abortion so they had to do in evac so evac key endoscopic surgical endoscopic vacuum assisted whatever yes but o boleletse monna o na le TA a threatened abortion so tshwantse ba itse evac and then medical aid wa was not gonna cover chelete eo so ba need 35,000 rand to do the procedure a re ke ra wa moshimana mo romela 35,000 hasna mo romela 35,000 ya eng ya ho a itse evac eo what is what ngwanyana nna 2 days nyana a ikirile ka re ontse 2 days ko sepetlele a bolella baby re ban discharge tse ke boetse gae baby are okay my love I'm coming to fetch you because o ka se nne ko uli one hey I still have what? I still have news on this man that this man is sleeping with who? The patients. Yo. A re ke shomi ya ka bona. He ke boela ko plekeng ele re nnang ko yona nna le this man. Ka tsena ka bolella baby ka re listen. The reason why ke krile miscarriage is that ke findile out gore wena go balana le di patient tsa hao and then ha go balane only le bona ba bang ba untshita ka bona ka go o jola le bona o mo di relationshiping le bona. A moshimana ntebella a re wa reng a re ka molela ka re lebile o itse hore this evidence cousin ya ka ona le yona le nna ke na le yona ke recordile somewhere in case something happens to me ke lo ke moleletse hore a lete HPCSA immediately because ntho nke ditseng yona a ke rate a re ke go itse moshimana ntebella yana a re wa reng my sister wa re go irahalang a re moshimana ke ge yana a simolokoa a re itse mang ha go wa ke ntse lena ka montlong ke mo lebeletse ke ntse ke motse baby ko tshwaretse we need to work together a re itse mang a simolle iphabeala a neglect surgery has na neglect surgery ya no now chelete a isa tsena chelete se tlheleng e tsena o palla go romela mosadi chelete ko ntwena mosadi then says and then wena wa o sa romela chelete estate le yona e ra o sa patela go etsagalang a re ke re what is what mosadi then finds out about me mosadi then says to this man you no longer have access to my kid fuck you bitch nna le bitch e o nna le yona ka montlong ka re Chomi, what is that? This is where he's going. Uya goa, uka mo depression engwe e mal. Le nna hona yanong ke file batho ba le go apartmenteng ya ka my notice hore ba ireng papa ka seleng sa bona I need to move back into my apartment. The estate is also kicking him out because o kolota estate. Are e mo tsentsheng more into depression. Ya hore moshimana feleletsa I'll admitted into a psychiatric ward. O findile out hore I'm not only sleeping with his colleague, I'm sleeping with his childhood friend. So childhood friend ke mang? Ke that friend ole wa doctor. O itseng ke kry-ile information ya hore you are sleeping with your patients from. And that's how you deal with an educated man. Bolella banyana ba hore doctor ga se ya mojolo. Doctor ke ya go focusa mo go feng batho medication. She's the girl.